Yeah, hi Leo. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Nice flowers.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What's going on, bud?
It's my birthday.
Yeah, it is. And how old are you gonna be?
7.
Cool. And so that's tomorrow. What do you think about that?
Cool.
Cool. What are you doing?
We're going to medieval times and you can get armor there
Yes.
and you can put it on you.
That sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, and you have wooden swords there. Julian told me it because he knows that you've been to it before.
Cool. Well, happy birthday, buddy. I love ya.
Okay. Before we click, I just want to say, I wanted to get the armor for many times. And the armor's plastic, so I want to get it with the wooden sword. Okay.
Well, we'll have a look. We'll see if your birthday money can cover it. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Birthday!
Cool.